Welcome to Dream Cars, the ultimate destination for classic car enthusiasts, where we dive into the beauty, engineering, and legacy of the most iconic automobiles in history. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true American classic from the post-war era, the Chevrolet Stylemaster. A symbol of resilience and style, this vehicle represents the transition from pre-war designs to the bold future of the American automotive industry. The Chevrolet Stylemaster was produced from 1946 to 1948, a relatively short production run that nevertheless left a lasting impression on the car world. It was introduced as the base model in Chevrolet's lineup after World War II and played a critical role in revitalizing the brand. With its smooth curves, wide stance, and unmistakable grille design, the Stylemaster was a product of its time, blending functionality with an emerging sense of style and innovation. The overall aesthetic carried hints of pre-war Chevrolet models, but with subtle refinements that pointed toward a more modern design philosophy. Under the hood, the Chevrolet Stylemaster featured a 216.5 cubic inch inline-six engine, often referred to as the Stovebolt 6. It delivered around 90 horsepower, which may seem modest by today's standards, but back in the mid-1940s, it provided reliable and consistent performance. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the column, the driving experience was simple and mechanical, giving drivers a direct connection to the road. The vehicle's suspension system, with independent front coil springs and a solid rear axle on leaf springs, offered a relatively smooth ride for its time, making it ideal for family outings or leisurely cruises. Inside, the Stylemaster was designed with practicality in mind but did not shy away from a touch of comfort and elegance. The interior featured bench seats upholstered in mohair or imitation leather, a large steering wheel, and a metal dashboard with straightforward instrumentation. These elements provided drivers with essential controls and visibility without any unnecessary complexity. While creature comforts were limited compared to modern standards, the cabin's spaciousness and functional layout made it a favorite among families and working-class Americans. In terms of dimensions, the Chevrolet Stylemaster had a wheelbase of 116 inches and an overall length of about 197 inches. This size gave it a commanding presence on the road while still being manageable in everyday driving situations. The body styles available included 2-door and 4-door sedans, coupes, and a station wagon variant, providing versatility for different needs and preferences. Safety features were minimal by today's standards, but for its time, the Stylemaster was built with solid materials and a robust frame. It relied on drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which provided sufficient stopping power for the engine's performance capabilities. Its relatively low top speed helped maintain safety on the roads, which were less congested and slower paced than today. What makes the Chevrolet Stylemaster especially appealing today is its historical value and the nostalgia it evokes. Collectors and vintage car enthusiasts admire its straightforward engineering, classic design, and the sense of Americana it represents. Restored models are often seen in car shows and parades, and many owners take pride in maintaining the vehicle's originality while sometimes updating components for better reliability and comfort. As we reflect on the legacy of the Chevrolet Stylemaster, it becomes clear that it was more than just a car. It was a statement of post-war optimism, a reliable companion for countless families, and a canvas for Chevrolet's evolving design language. Whether you're an admirer of classic cars or someone curious about the roots of American automotive culture, the Stylemaster is a name worth knowing. Thank you for joining us here on Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Chevrolet Stylemaster and want to explore more timeless machines from the golden age of motoring, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to Dream Cars for more classic car content.